when I'm doing meditation in the morning, when I start doing meditation in the morning at 3:15 or 3:20, suddenly I'm unable to focus on my breath. But when I'm doing in the evening, I can clearly see my breath rising from blankness and going into blankness. And I see a sudden shift from vertical position to horizontal position in the evening. But when I'm doing in the morning, I cannot focus on my breath in the early morning.
The morning when you get up, then you are probably still in sleepy state. You are not fully refreshed or you have not relaxed during your sleep. So when this is the state of your mind, then you cannot dip yourself in meditation. Meditation is possible when you are fully relaxed, your body is relaxed, your mind is relaxed, you have no worries. But as you was telling me, an early time of 3 a.m., I don't know when you go to bed and when you get up. Probably your sleep is not complete, or you have been dreaming during the sleep. Your mind is not relaxed. So, first and fundamental thing is you sleep properly, have 6 7 hours sleep. When you sleep properly and when your dreams are less, and when you get up in the morning, then you are relaxed. Then you get ready. If you like, you can take bath or otherwise just wash yourself, have some hot water, feel completely relaxed, and then go into meditation. There is no question then you will not dip in meditation when you are able to dip in the evening. Morning is much more comfortable because morning nature is very calm and quiet. Evening nature is disturbed. So there must be something wrong with your physics or your mental state. So please check all those things. And if still there is some problem, then please put a question.
Yes, one more thing, Guruji. When I'm doing in the evening, I can concentrate, I can focus. Suddenly, my breath becomes very small, and from vertical position, I have shifted. I feel that I have shifted into horizontal position, and I'm going away from the breath. I feel this.
Breathe should be deep in the morning or in the evening when you are going to meditation. Breathe must be deep. Initially, breathe must go to your navel center as if your body is breathing. Then you just watch your breath and then feel the breath is dying down. And the when stage will come when the breath rate is much less, then you can merge in meditation. It means your preparations are not proper when you are going to meditation.